because they're always listening to you. How many of you have ever done this automatic pattern? Joey, 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 Joey. Oh, and then you take your responsibility and you put it on the child by saying, he's not listening. But if you have, some of you are like, how do you see my classroom? So, and if you have one of those long mirrors, and you're watching Joey's face in the mirror, Joey, every time you say his name, Joey, 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 Joey. How many of you love when you get your name called out a lot? Now here's a program that's been running us for a while. So if some of you laughed and you thought something inappropriate, who's the one that thought the inappropriate thing? So then who do you get to choose to be upset at? That's called being responsible. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.